Hey, what's up guys? So we have a new keyboard from E-YOOSO. What's going on? I'm MD and we're looking at the E-YOOSO Z-19 94 key 85% mechanical keyboard. E-YOOSO sent this out to me for unboxing and overview. I've added chapters in the description so you can skip around to whatever interests you the most. Alright, let's get into it. This is pretty much your basic Amazon packaging with minimal but adequate packaging from the manufacturer. Inside there's instructions, keycap puller, switch puller, alternate keycaps, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and spare switches. This one had some bent pins, so watch out for that. This model comes with blue linear switches. These are hot swappable and are covered with PVD keycaps. There are two color schemes, white blue and blue white. This layout is still smaller than a full-size keyboard, so this can come in handy if you have limited desk space. As I mentioned in another video, I do appreciate the inclusion of the keypad in these modern aesthetic compact designs. In my personal setup, I have a number pad set up separately because I find it easier to enter two-factor authentication codes, CAPTCHA challenges, or whatever I have to do. That numerical data entry is just so much easier for me on a number pad. And again, for this keyboard, it's lacking RGB, it just has the one blue color. It does have 17 preset lighting modes and 2 custom, which you can tailor to your own taste. Now the color scheme for the keyboard is a lot brighter and more colorful than most of the keyboards that I have. So even with the lighting off, I think it's a good looking keyboard. The blue switches are very clicky, so just be prepared for that. If you're interested in this keyboard, there's a link in the description below. And while you're there, if you like this type of content, please consider liking and subscribing. If you're looking for something smaller, try checking out these. Have a good one.